How to boost your credit score fast. Imagine waking up to a drastically improved credit score. Today, we're diving into how you can make that dream a reality. Your financial freedom is just around the corner, and it starts with your credit score. Firstly, knowledge is power. Check your credit report for any inaccuracies. Mistakes can drag your score down. Disputing errors and getting them corrected can give your score a quick lift. Next, let's tackle credit card balances. High balances relative to your credit limit can hurt your score. Paying these down is one of the fastest ways to see a boost. Consider becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card. Choose someone with a good payment history and low credit utilization. Their good habits can reflect positively on your credit report. Payment history is key. Even a single missed payment can hurt your score. Set up payment reminders or automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date again. Diversifying your credit mix can also help. Responsibly managing different types of credit, like a car loan, mortgage, or credit card, shows lenders you're a reliable borrower, potentially lifting your score. Keep old credit accounts open. Length of credit history matters. Closing old accounts can shorten your credit history and negatively impact your score. So, think twice before cutting up those old cards. Limit new credit inquiries. Each time you apply for credit, it generates a hard inquiry, which can lower your score. If you're looking to boost your score quickly, avoid new credit applications. Lastly, patience is a virtue. While some tactics can yield quick results, building a strong credit score is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, and over time, you'll see significant improvements. Your financial freedom awaits. By following these tips, you can achieve a higher credit score and enjoy the benefits it brings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.